Goodwood special because there's nowhere else in the world quite like it. Revival is the ultimate celebration for car lovers because of the variety of cars that are here. You know, the drivers that drove them from Sterling Moss, Jim Clark, Jackie Stewart, to the races they competed in. And the fact that they're still competing wheel to wheel now, I think that is the real appeal. Plus, it's a real step back in time in terms of the clothing people wear and the fact that everyone gets involved as part of the theatrics of the whole event. I think that's what makes it really special.
At Goodwood. Come on.
To the ball, George.
She will go.
Well, hey, on our way to Goodwood, George. Yay! We're here at Goodwood. The day is finally here. It's amazing to see it on the stands. It's been an amazing journey so far. It's been a long old slog, hasn't it, George?
Yeah, long one.
We learnt a lot.
Probably the worst Mustang we've ever seen. It had no floors, all the rear arches had gone. The only thing that was really good was the seals. It was holding the car together.
No brakes, no chrome, no interior. It was like they couldn't have picked a worse car to begin with. We estimated on a blank picture that it would be around 600 hours. We're into it for nearly 1,300 hours, over double what we'd originally sort of put our minds to. Yeah, it's been a proper journey, but I think in all, it looks even better because we did that. Do you know what I mean?
We knew the people at Goodwood would love this classic car, especially the collaboration of not only Milwaukee, but working with local mechanics to achieve this.
We used pretty much exclusively Milwaukee tools on this project.
Well, I used the screwdrivers, the spanners, the sockets, the drills.
We didn't really have to pick up any other tool other than Milwaukee. They're proper decent tools.
It was a difficult and lengthy journey, but we're so glad to have taken it on. Now with the transformation out of the way, there was just one more thing left for us to do.
I can't believe we're on the actual Goodwood track, George. You ready? Let's go! I would say to an avid Mustang collector, try and find the best shell to start with, the one with the least rust really, because you can just do so many hours on bodywork, but it's the building of it to start with, getting the bodywork right, that's where you can spend a serious amount of hours. So just look for one with a good shell. And at the end of the day, although we didn't get a lot of parts in time for this project and they are a bit hard to come by, there is parts available. There isn't many cars where you can buy everything. It's just time. So plan your time and you'll be all right. Big up Neil and Soda Blaster.
Blackwater Paintworks and Soda Blasters UK. Good boys.
It's been a really cool project to work on, to be fair.
Loved it a bit.
And yeah, it's just really good end product. Well, look how far we've come, George. The car looks insane. It's been a long old road, but I think it's time to go get a beer.
Definitely, mate. Come on.